here we are. We've washed Bubba's truck. This is Basics with Bubba's, Basic with Bubba, episode 2, Claybar. What you think so far about this, Bubba?
I don't know.
I gave you a patty. I got me a patty, and I'll show you how it works right here. So we're gonna take some, this is O&R. We're gonna set that right there. And we'll do the hood. It's the worst. This is gonna give us lubricate, some more extra lubrication on that already wet hood. What you're gonna do, light pressure. I'm just gonna go over your hood. Paint actually doesn't feel that bad until we hit those weird spots. We're just gonna work that like that. Back and forth, straight lines, Bubba. Guess what? No circles. And it's gonna slowly get out some contamination. This is gonna be a long process. So, here's your some O&R. There's your Claybar. Let's see you try this out. Look at that contamination. I don't even know what that is. That might be beyond contamination, Bubba. That's circles, Bubba. What else? Straight lines. No. That is a synthetic Claybar, Bubba. If we drop that, you just power wash it off and go back to work.
Just like this.
Yep, straight lines. A little O&R in there. Oh, man. That was funny. You don't have to use much pressure at all. Just let it slide over the paint, picking up contaminants. Then every now and then, you want to go rinse it off with a water hose or pressure washer, remove the contaminants. All right, we're going to do this panel and check back into you. All right, Bubba. That was Claybarring with Bubba on Basics with Bubba episode 2. I just needed the Claybar. I should have showed you. Bubba dropped his Claybar immediately. So what you think about Claybarring, Bubba?
It was alright. It's awesome. He done a lot of work, good work.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Bubba, your truck was dirty.
No, the truck was clean.
Hope you enjoyed it. Jamie the Cleaner on Instagram. Bubba, got any plugs? Got Instagram?
No.
Are you gonna make Instagram?
No.
The people might want to follow you.
I doubt it.
Basics Bubba episode 2. Tune in. Or we may never do this again. All right, bye.